Hello YouTubers, you're watching Just Do It Yourself channel, and today we have 2020 Chevy Traverse, and we have the service tire monitor system. We have the tire TPMS light on. This happened roughly after 40 kilometers since I replaced my tires, and I'm using Autel MaxiCOM scanner today. Please check link in the description. Great tool. And we will put it to test. So when I check the trouble codes, we get left front tire pressure sensor too few pulses and for all of the tires. So basically the car was running, waiting for the signal from tire to come through. It hasn't through a few cycles. So we will try to see if this tool has special functions, and we can see there is tire pressure sensor signal reset and tire pressure sensor learn, tire type pressure selection. So we will start with tire pressure sensor signal reset. We'll see what it does. Apparently you can buy quite affordable tools on Amazon to do the reset just for the tires. So there are tons of information. So it seems like it's reading the pressure. You can see that the value is changing, updating. So I think the sensors are there. I just got used tires. Okay, so let's click reset. See what will happen. And the tires originally came from reset. Right, let's try slightly different approach. We will go into TPMS menu. We'll select Chevrolet. We'll do automatic. We will read the VIN. It's asking us to make sure that it's connected to the network. So it found the vehicle. Click OK. Area US. For the year, I'll select this one. It's 2020. We'll see if we can relearn. So method 1, a proper TPMS tool is required to learn new ID sensors. We don't have the tool. Method 2, it looks like we should be able to do it from the cab. Alright, so we get the service monitor tire monitor system. We click OK. So all the readings are 0. So we hold this button down until it goes into relearn mode. So this is active. So now we get outside. So we go into the relearn and we trigger relearn. Keep it close. This one is done. And go to the next tire. Trigger. Done. Next. Done. And the last one. This one will probably fail. See, yeah, it did fail. So at this point, like if it is successful, we want to do OBD relearn to give OBD the IDs of those sensors. You have one sensor not triggered, so it doesn't seem like we can do this without one. Okay. Okay, so we cannot proceed, but if you look into the manual, so turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition off to exit the vehicle. Learn mode, adjust all tire pressure specified on tire placard. So we cannot complete it because it seems like we have one sensor that is failing, but that would be the procedure using Autel MaxiCOM on 2020 Chevy Traverse. Thanks for watching, guys.